So we're back out again with another video by djmobileautoservices. We got a 2014 Nissan Sylphy here with a check light on, right? So the customer said that he was driving and then you started to hear like, like felt like a misfire, and he brought the vehicle in, and as you can tell, it is a misfire, right? So we're gonna determine where that misfire is coming from. It could be anything from the coil to the injector to issue within the cylinder. So I'm going to hook the scan tool up first and see if we can narrow down where this misfire is coming from. So I got my scan tool hooked up already. Check light is flashing. Alright, so let's put the scan tool on. Alright, so based on what I'm seeing here on the left side, I'm getting okay fuel control, so I'm not really going after injector right now, or even massive flow and stuff like that. Massive flow could give you a misfire, but not like this. It could be a singular misfire. It could be also multiple misfire. I'm not sure. So as I said, let's scan for codes real quick, and then we'll be able to determine what issue he's having. So I'm getting a P0304 cylinder misfire code. As I said, it could be anything from an injector, mass airflow, ECU, fuel, you name it, harness, but what we're gonna do here, right, as I said, I am feeling a misfire, right, but I'm not gonna clear anything as yet, right. My freeze frame is saying it's a P0304, so I'm gonna go on my graph real quick and look at my long-term trims, fuel trims, my short-term. My lambda is good, so as I said, this also give me some guidance, let me know that it don't have anything to do with the injectors, right? So that rules that out, because I'm getting, my lambda is around 1, which is good, right? What else could we check? We could go with mode 6, right? And we could read it, matter of fact, we could read it here. Right, so you see it better here, where my lambda is around 1. Right, if I snap, I will believe this is supposed to go like lower, like probably 0.90 or 0.89 or something like that. So let's snap it. Right, it dropped all the way down to 0.898, 0.7. So this also let me know that my O2 sensor is also working, right? What else can I see here? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the coil, the plugs, and we'll be able to determine what's going on. Right now the vehicle is definitely vibrating a lot, so first I'm gonna go after number 4 plug and coil, and most likely it will give me some indication of what's going on, right? So let me just switch the vehicle off and get my tools so I can see what's good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is remove this number 4 coil and pull the plug out. Alright, supposed to be able to get these fairly easy. Alright, gonna pull number 4 plug out and coil, and I would make my decision what I want to do, if I want to change all the plugs and just that coil, or based on what the customer want to do, right? So let me just pull it out. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. So as I said, don't forget also to like and subscribe, share, comment, criticism, you know how we do, right? So I'm just going to show you real quick how I remove the misfire on this vehicle. As I said, first thing I did was scan, right? I'm going to just pull the plug on the coil because it's fairly easy to get to. So I was able to remove the plugs from inside the vehicle. But this is number 4, right? If you notice that these are burning real good, and this one is like real black. So he looked like he wasn't getting enough energy. And then you can see right here, this is where the spark was escaping of the boot, right? So I'm gonna swap all this coil, this plug, and as I said, I'm gonna swap all the rest of the plugs while I'm at it. So I got a fresh coil and brand new plugs. I'm gonna pop in, right? Going back with the same energy keys. I'm gonna change the number 4 coil for sure, right? So I'm just gonna tighten this down. I already replaced 1 to 3 plugs already. I'm just gonna screw this down, and then we're gonna go in the vehicle, start it back up, clear the code, and that should be it for that misfire, right? Yeah, sometimes you can get multiple misfire on these vehicles and it feel like, you know, the whole car want to shut off. But in this case, it was just number 1, that was number 4 that was having the issue. Let me just remove all these things I'm here before I start. Alright, so we got the plugs replaced and number 4 coil. So we're gonna clear the DTC, and I'm gonna start this vehicle up again and let's see what's good. So we're not feeling the misfire like before. Matter of fact, let's go behind the exhaust to confirm. You're not hearing the pop, 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 pop like that before, so we're gonna come here now. Let's see, the check light is off. Yes, it is. I'm gonna read off pending codes again. Alright, cool. So basically this vehicle is fixed, right? Alright, so right now my long term is at 0, my RPM is at 800, and my lambda is hovering around 1, right, ratio. That's the air fuel ratio, right? And as you can see, I'm getting good command here on my fuel trim. We had a P0304 code, right, cylinder misfire number 3, but it felt like it's a multiple misfire the way this vehicle was behaving, right? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Yes, it was a quick video, right? So I was just showing how I handle these misfires, right? You diagnose it, you know, you use visual inspection, and then you take it from there, right? So thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'm just gonna go a little further here and just, you know, check my coil, see all the KVs responding. Right, as I said, it's fresh plug, so they're supposed to be hovering around the same KV which I'm currently at. So that let me know that the vehicle is fixed. Right, I have basically all my coil is firing at this on the same kilovolts, right? So this also verifies that this vehicle is fixed, right? Not my vehicle, customer's one, right? And yeah, that's what we do. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching.